Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Tech Solution. Today I will discuss in my previous series of videos database connectivity of Servlet page, and in this video I will just show you how this data have been fetched from database MySQL and show you on the Servlet page. That is a portion this. So data from database in Servlet page in tabular format. So let us see, and please I will ask you to show or see my previous videos how I have easily connect to the database MySQL. And although I will show you that I have downloaded this MySQL connector and paste it in the JRE folder, which is in the Java folder. I utilize the Tomcat itself in this Eclipse server IDE. So in this Eclipse IDE, and the server has been configured, as well as this jar file is kept in this folder. You see again, this is Java folder, JRE, this lib folder extension. And I have already discussed in my previous videos that this file is accessed in this project. Suppose this project in this area, in this property page, you go this property page, you see the library folder, libraries, JRE, this is, and within this JRE you see thus jar file has been accessed by the software server, that is Tomcat. So but that is, it is easy to connect within this MySQL package. So what are the next step is that I have already discussed in the previous videos. Write this statement class for them to connect to the to load this uh, driver files in this workspace, and connection string is that to connect to the database MyDB1, and this is called URL. This is standard in Java package. You see, this is URL, this is root system user, and this is the null value of password. That is, I have not any set password to connect to the MySQL database. So that the next step is to show that how I access the data from this table of MyDB1. Let us see, start this package. Before I go to the main part of do get statement and this try logic, I will show you that I have declared some thing that supportable for HTML page. The command is that response dot set content type as text oblique HTML. This is equal to show HTML values, tables, etc. in Servlet page. And print writer is the class where it shows the content to print on this Servlet page. That is called getWriter, response.getWriter. So now this too has been added in this section of page my page find.java, that is Servlet. And also I will show you that I have imported these things during the programming section. That what are the imported discusses: IO exception, print writer, SQL.connection, SQL driver manager, result set, SQL SQL exception, SQL server exception, annotation, HTTP servlet request, servlet response. And based on this import classes file, I will go to this main get try class, try block, where try block is that to connect load this driver with com.mysql.jdbc.driver, and if it is failed, then go to this catch section, that is not found, class not found, exception E. Next part is that I will connect to the database with this statement. You see here, connection string driver manager dot get connection jdbc colon mysql colon slash double slash localhost port number 3306 slash mydb on the database, and this URL, and next is the user ID, and that is the null value password. So the and success on success of this connectivity to my database, it will show that execution that connected, that is my database is connected. And here I will use out.println because I have using the print writer class here to print the value on the servlet place. So you see here, this is the print writer out. So I have using this object, I have that just message will be displayed and second message will be displayed on this. Now this to fetching the values from database, we have to create a structure of table value, which is created as statement of SQL statement, and the statement string value is kept in SQL variable, which is the common SQL command select star from login, that is all values from login table. And in the result set, it is created as a table structure format, so that is executed by the statement dot execute query of SQL statement. So fetch that is we have got these values in this record set, result set. You can see it as record set also. So this value fetched by this statement, and now I have to show this value on the screen. So how we can show that is using this statement called while statement, and that is if it has values more than 2 values, 3 values, then it will move to next value, so that the value will be print out on the screen. So how it is done? Yes, this value is transferred by this statement or as that get string. The from the value is table value is UID, so it gives the value to the string variable f1. Second value is password and gives transfer to the value f2 string value is as f2. And because I have not used in integer variable, so it is using this f1 f2 string values. And now I have two values in f1 and f2, and just I will print out in table format. So the value is printed by this three statement, line of statement. So this is the standard option println out.println, where table is created as border one line to create a border line 1, and th is a header table, header values is user and header value is password pwd, and that in this case the next is that so the value of this header row is next to the value f1, in which this created as tr table row, and it is td f1, and this value is f2 concatenating by plus. If it is new to you, then please go to my HTML the pages. I have created some videos on it, so that you will be easy to understand this portion. So here see, this is table border, and this is table header values, and this is the table data with tr new row. So and if it is failed, then I have taken catch exception, which is called SQL exception e. So as message is SOP, that is system.out.println not connected, but it is rare because it is already connected in this statement, so it is succeeded to the value of table value. Now this page will show this value on servlet page. So I will right click on this, show you that run as server. So I will save it again. Yes, and it will ask for the server. Yes, it is started, but no matter, I will restart it. And click on finish. So restart server. Yes, I can continue with this. You see the process that it is stopping first, then it will start it again, the servlet page, and the output will be in front of us. As you see, yes, now it is done well. That is first message, and this is I can go do it to next line. So I will try to go to the next line print, and then user and pwd is a header value. It is fixed, that is I have written user and pwd, that is password, but these two values fetched from the table MySQL. So if you want to show this, I go to the VM server and MySQL and console, and then use the database and then go to the select table to show this previous. So I have created already. I have shown my previous videos also, so please go through it. And the main thing is that the coding portion is succeeded here, so please do it once at your own to success count your hand. Thanks for viewing this video, and I think you should comments, and please subscribe to my channel Arctic Solution. Thank you.